Hey guys, this is Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great week. I was hoping to get this video out a little bit sooner, but ran into some technical difficulties. So in this video, I will walk you through how to sign up and some of the ins and outs of using the app. There's also a $20 welcome bonus at the moment, and also some bonuses when you use my referral code. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. So once you've downloaded the app from Google Play or any app store that you have on your phone, it's going to ask you to sign up with email, Facebook, or Google. Now, I chose to sign up with email, so you just put in your email, create a password, click continue. It's going to ask you your name, and then click continue. Then it's going to ask you your birthday. This is mainly just because they offer alcohol rebates. So the last thing you have to do is enter a referral code if you have one. As you can see, mine is listed on the screen. So click finish and you're all set to go. It took less than 1 minute. Now I'm back on the home screen here. This is what you're going to see after you sign up. Those little plus marks right there are offers that Ibotta has rebates for. You can click those and it will show up as a check mark. Also, I wanted to point out these bonuses here. This is a level 1 April bonus. This is when you redeem 10 offers and your team, which is anyone that you refer, redeems $20. So moving right along, we have the $10 cash bonus. This is when you refer a friend and redeem 2 separate offers on 2 separate shopping trips, and you can see all the details there. I'm going to be showing you 3 offers here in a little while, and you can do all of these on separate transactions. So here I'm just showing you a Neutrogena bonus. Different brands do different bonuses, and most of the time it's if you buy 2 or more of their products, they'll give you extra money and extra rebate. So always keep in mind about the bonuses and check your account frequently. So here I'm just scrolling through showing you some of the different stores that are available on Ibotta. These are in-store and online deals. So if you're going to be shopping online, you can go to that website through the Ibotta app. If you click on the Ibotta app, find the store that you're wanting to go to, like Joann's, we see there. It will tell you what percent you will get back off of your purchase, and you can click shop and it will take you directly to the website. So now we're at the bottom of the home screen, and I'm just going to scroll up. We're going to click on Walmart just to give you kind of an overview of what it's like when you're scrolling through. So all these check marks I've already previously added them to my account. So as you can see here, they offer all different kinds, best value, new offers, any item offers, everything from dairy, pantry, beverages, frozen, produce, beauty, household, babies and kids, wine, candy and snacks, pets, household, you name it. Go through there and make sure that you're check marking these rebates before you go into the store. So the deals that I'm going to share with you today are at Walmart. It's the Always pads, the Tampax tampons, and the Nivea BOGO deal. So these deals are expiring soon, but they will come back around again, so keep those in mind. I wanted to give a big shout out and thank you to Alondra for sharing this deal over on Instagram. She also has a YouTube channel, so go check her out. She has a lot of great deals and she's always posting new things, so thank you. So in order to redeem your rebate, you want to click redeem at the bottom of the app and select the store you have a receipt for. It is very easy. You'll see a screen pop up like this. You just want to hit continue. Then it's going to give you the option to scan your barcode at the bottom of your receipt. Then you're going to see a screen pop up like this, showing you all the rebates that you have on that receipt. So as you can see, it's very simple. You're going to get a notification within a couple of minutes. It could take up to a day or two, but usually a couple of minutes. It's going to tell you what your total rebate was that you got back from that store. So jumping right into some Ibotta breakdowns, like I said, big shout out to Alondra. I'm going to talk to you about the Always and the Tampax. These are the coupons that I used out of the April P&G. So here is the written breakdown. I bought 2 Tampax Radiant, 2 Always pads. I used 1 of the 3 off 2 Tampax coupon, 1 3 off of 2 Always coupon. I paid $9.60 out of pocket. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $2 on each product that I bought. So my total rebate was $8. My final cost was $1.60 for 4, or 40 cents each. Now, if you're in the store and you're not sure if you're getting the right product or not, you can always click on the offer, scroll down, and you'll see check product barcode. So you'll see a screen come up like this. You can just scan the barcode and it will either tell you if the offer matches or does not match. Jumping right into the Nivea BOGO rebate, I bought 1 Nivea body wash for $4.97, 1 Nivea lotion for $5.13. I used $1 off of 1 Nivea body wash coupon from the $3.29 Smart Source. I paid $9.10 out of pocket. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for a $5 rebate. The final price was $4.10 for 2, or $2.05 each. Now, you may be wondering, how do I redeem this money? So you go into your account, and once you get to $20, you will see a screen that looks like this, and it'll say withdraw cash up at the top. Now, you can link your Ibotta account to your PayPal account and redeem it on your PayPal, or you can select different gift cards and add your money onto a gift card. And they have a huge variety of options there. Now, another thing that you can do is go into your account and complete your account. That means download the app, verify your phone number, pick your favorite retailers, and link any loyalty cards that you have, maybe like Kroger's, for instance. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Ibotta also has a complete how-to-use guide. You can find that under the account button. If you scroll all the way down, it will say how to use, and it will take you directly to their website. As always, thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and share this video with all your family and friends so that they can get in on some deals too. Also, while you're at it, go over on Instagram and check me out. It's at Craz-E Coupons. I'm always posting little deals during the week. And a big shout out and thank you to our friend Alondra for sharing that Ibotta deal with us. Go check her out over on Instagram, and also go subscribe to her YouTube channel. I will leave all of the links in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you later.